friends, in this video right now I'll show you how to set about to none on WhatsApp. It means that you want to stop sharing to everyone your about on WhatsApp. So friends, before we continue these steps, please do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. At first you have to move on WhatsApp. Then here click on this three dot on the app side. Here you have to click on setting. Then here click on account. Here you have to click on privacy. Then here you will find the about. So click on it. And here is the about in everyone. Okay. So if you want to set this about to nobody, click on nobody. Or if you want to stop, click on nobody. Okay. Then click on done. Here it has been set and it has been saved. Okay. It has done. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.